Gadget, technology, and internet has been surprisingly an impactful aspect of our life. We use it to communicate with people, to entertain ourselves, and even in teaching and learning process. But are we smart and knowledgeable enough in using these things? Today, we were going to help you navigate online world with respect and kindness with our 5 netiquette rules.
Rule number 1. Positive interactions can create a welcoming environment, while rudeness can lead to conflict and can hurt other individuals.
Against same-sex marriage. Bawal sa Islam ang same-sex marriage. It's haram.
Ha? Bakit hindi sa same-sex marriage? Ako? As gay, agree ako. Pero, huwag naman pala. Since yung mga tao, they have different perspective on their lives. That's why it's very immature to argue with this. Kaya wag na. Rule number 2. Think before you post. Taking a moment to review your words that can prevent misunderstanding and unnecessary arguments. Ano ba naman yan? Tsaka niya. Tahik? Ano kasi nakaayan, Tiggs? Grabe na, nakakatakot ako. Bilit ko na lang, baka siguro masaktan siya. Sige, wag na lang. Baka siguro iyak siya eh.
Rule number 3. Protect privacy. Keeping your personal information ensures safety and security online.
Ay, ang sili ko. Ipopost ko to. Isa pa. Dito. Ay, sexy ko. Okay. Ipopost ko marin to. Sa last. Oh my God! Ang ganda-ganda ko.
Wait, Tiggs, nakita mo yung post ni Chad?
Oo nga eh. Grabe naman yun. Grabe ko talaga.
Ang ganda niya.
Ay, i-private ko na lang yung picture ko. Rule number 4. Avoid spamming. Sending relevant and concise messages keeps conversation productive, while spamming disrupts and annoys others. Tayo nga yung mga comments sa post ko. Ay, ano ba to? Comments niya? Borikat mo naman. Sige, block ko na lang. Ito pa. Grabe naman pananamit mo, te. Friend ko na lang nga, para wala nang away.
Rule number 5. Report abuse, don't engage. Reporting inappropriate behavior helps maintain a healthy online environment, while engaging to it will just worsen the situation.
Comments niya? Borikat mo naman. Sige, block ko na lang. Ito pa. Grabe naman pananamit mo, te. Friend ko na lang nga, para wala nang away.
By following these simple netiquette rules, we can all contribute to a positive and safe online community.
Follow netiquette.
Stay positivity. Stay safe online.
Let's make the internet a better place for everyone.